Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us, basically Frontman from Squid Game, okay? It's going to be super simple, easy, and for beginners, so we're going to get started here. First things first, if you like drawing in general, hit the subscribe button, and if you love Squid Games as well, hit that like button. But if you like drawing and like drawing lessons for beginners, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. The video, stay all the way to the very end. It's only going to be maybe like an 8 to 10 minute video, no more than that. But at the very at the very end of 10 minutes or 8 minutes, you are going to have a brand new skill. So that's kind of the idea. Anyways, let's get started, okay? I'm going to start with the kind of face area. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw like a line over here. We're going to take care of the face first. Like so. Down over here the right side. Down over here on the other side. Down over here. Down over here. Go across for the forehead there. All right, we're gonna put a kind of a triangle here shape. It's gonna be kind of the center of the head. And I'm gonna throw lines over, a line down here, across, line down here, across. Over the cheekbone area. He's basically got like an Asaro head. He's got like a basic like geometrical face. Line out for the ridge of the nose. Over here, line in like so. Other cheekbone. Line over here. Line over here. Far side of the face, I'm going to keep pulling it down here. Draw a line across for the mouth. Down over here. Across here for the bottom of the mouth there. Over here for the bottom of the chin. And we're going to pull this other side of the face over here. Like so. And that's a simplified version of the face. Obviously the real, like if you're doing it realistic, I'll pull it down here. If you're doing it realistic, it would be a little bit more complicated than this, but we just simplified it down in cartoon form. Fill this one in, because usually has like a dark, usually the shadow there, maybe below the nose here. Okay, now we're gonna take care of the top of the head here. Curve. I'm gonna pull back here for the top of the head. Gonna go straight all the way down. So the rest of this is gonna be a regular crewmate body, right? Longest line down. Over here at the front. Long line down to the leg. Ooh, I forgot about one thing here. Throw some line here from the eye to here and eye to here, because there's going to be kind of like a change in form, right? Curve along the bottom. Up. Curve over here. Up. Or the regular crewmate body, like so, like the teddy bear legs. So really the hardest part is the face. That's literally the hardest part. The rest of it is, remarkably easy, right? He's dressed all in black, so it's not a lot of color coding going on because he is relatively, simply dressed. We're gonna go over here, maybe about this level. We're gonna mark the top of the backpack, and over here for the bottom of the backpack. Gonna pull out over here, down, in. And I'm gonna give a little bit of a thicker line here. Line across the forehead over here. Right on. And that's mostly it. That is pretty much it. It's just a crewmate with that really awesome mask. You could draw like a line here and a line here for that kind of, just kind of show that he has an outfit on. But you could keep it like that. I think it's very, very obvious who he is. But yeah, one more thing, I'm going to throw a thicker line around the entire outside here, and that's going to give it a really cool look. All right, then. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Say hi to me in the comments section. Don't forget to share the video. If you did enjoy the video, share it. There is an auto share button, I think, on YouTube. You can press share. It takes 2 seconds, and it gives a lot back to the channel as far as energy, as far as like meeting cool people, bringing them back here. Thank you so much, and I want you to keep it easy, okay? See you later.